short sale approved, approved, approved. Can close by the end of July. Great 4-bedroom and great area. This house needs very little to move in. A lot of updates have been done for you and has an extra room that can be an extra master with full bath or bonus RM or theater RM. Your choice. Very spacious home with sparkling screened-in pool. Large tile throughout with new cabinets and baths. Master has double sinks and a lot of closet space. All bedrooms are big. Great house for a family, walking distance to elementary school and easy access to I-4. Location, location, location. Welcome home.